My name is Dino, and I own Waldo's Chicken and Beer. We have 3 locations here.
You know, I travel around the country.
Yeah.
And I'm on the road 50 weeks of the year. And I was eating one night on your 71st location.
That's right.
Alone. And Dino was at the bar doing his books, and we started talking. And he was telling me about the chicken and how you source it. And, you know, we take how we source our equipment as serious. So,
right.
You know, we're just kind of both entrepreneurs, and I love it here. I love chicken, and I've eaten all over the country. This is the best chicken I've ever had, and I tell everyone.
Thank you. That means a lot.
I ate it today. I'm eating it tomorrow. And Don, you eat here all the time too.
Every time I pops in, most of the time, Don is right there. All our chicken go through brine, means marinating process, right? We don't sell any chicken. They all get marinated for at least 18 hours before we serve customers. We don't get credit for it, but we literally have a scratch kitchen here, and we cut all our French fries, potato wedges, and we use beef tallow. It's not cheap, but it's a very healthy. It's getting healthier and healthy. So all our food fried on the beef tallow. We don't have a microwave in our restaurant. We don't even have a freezer.
I didn't even know you didn't have a freezer.
We don't have a freezer.
That's unbelievable.
So none of our stores has a freezer.
You know, you get what you pay for. If you want a good quality meal that's made with good ingredients that aren't frozen, I mean, you could just tell on the taste.
I've been with these guys, I don't know, probably like 15 plus years, I think. I can call them, and I normally text Don. Every time I open new stores, Don personally comes and meet with me. I'll send him an address, he will there. It's all about service, right? We both are in the service industry. Only difference is I sell chicken and he sells camera.
We love protecting the chicken.
Yes. They do a fantastic job. I can be in London and I can be still watching what's going on in cameras.
Every time I'm in Tulsa, I won't leave town without stopping at Waldo's. I tell everyone about it. If you're in Tulsa, you got to come by. And we just love to support local businesses. I mean, we've been here 50 years, and nothing makes me happier than to support a local business who's a customer of ours. And you can see our cameras, our security system is all around here. We're just honored to protect a place like this, so it's great.